Happy holidays, everybody. Once again, I'm yours truly, Jonathan Ang, also known as Dr. Jones. Napakaswerte ko po ngayong gabi, ngayong araw ng Disyembreng ito. Ayan, sapagkat kapiling, hindi ko lamang po kapiling, kundi kapiling ng aking buong batch 83, ang isa sa aming pinakamamahal at pinagpipitagan ng former teacher. God damn it! So, Demetrio Samala alias Sir Demet. So, it's so nice to see you again after ilang taon ba? Kasi pag nandun tayo sa II Alumni Homecoming, hindi kita nakakagip, nakakaalis ka na, nakakatakas ka na kaagad eh. Anyways, meron akong hinandang ilang tanong para sa teacher kong ito. So, sana masagot niya ng bonggang-bongga. Sir Demet, kumusta na ang buhay sa Estados Unidos?
Ayos lang naman. So far, nag-retire na ako at the age of 63 because of my illness, you know. I am a transplant patient and successful surgery and still on the recovery process. Not perfect yet, but anyway, I'm still hoping for the best in the coming days, you know.
Para sa ating mga ginigilo na taga-subaybay, pwede mo bang i-share sa amin kung anong particular organ ang pinahintulutan ng Panginoon na ma-transplant sa iyong katawan?
It's my kidney.
Yung kidney. So, buti naman meron kang agad natagpuan na
I was so lucky.
Nag-match, di ba? May matching
After
ata yung
like
gano'n, di ba?
5 years of undergoing dialysis, I was able to get it on March 25 of this year, you know. So someone from Arizona died and they gave me a compatible kidney.
So, galing naman, merong generous donor. Siguro nag-sign up yung donor na yun, no, na
the family will not let unless the patient signed for as a donor organ, you know.
Ngayon, dahil siyempre hindi ka naman laging matagal dito sa Pinas, Sir Demet. So, kada uwi mo rito, ano yung binabalik-balikan mo o ano yung hinahanap-hanap mo pag nandito ka sa Pinas na hindi mo naman laging napapala doon sa US?
Well, first of all, it's my family. And the second reason is like see all my past students. Because the only thing I can say is that's why I'm spending for my airfare every year as much as possible every year I go home is to be with my students. The only thing I can say is I love them.
So, ano yung pinaka matandang batch na kumukumbira pa rin sa'yo na hindi nakakalimot na imbitahin ka sa mga gatherings na kagaya nito?
A batch 1980, almost all batches, you know, even in the United States, you know, almost all the batches invite me whenever they have a gathering.
Ano taon ka ba nag-start magturo sa Imus Institute High School?
1978.
78.
Yeah, so the year like 78 to 79, that's the first school year. And I end up in 1988 to migrate to the United States.
So something like 10 years ka lang nakapagturo sa II. Ganun.
Sa iba tayo,
Ayan. So, maikli lang ito, Sir Demet, wag kang mag-alala, hindi ko ubusin ang oras mo. So, how do you see yourself 10 or 20 years from now?
Well, since I'm retired, most probably I'm always like at home. And the only time I leave is like invitations from friends, relatives, and from my students, you know. So the way I see it, probably I'll just rest, you know, and enjoy life. Maybe if possible, I go on trips, you know, if my finances will allow me, you know.
O sige, Sir Demet, last question na po ito, mga kaibigan, sa aming libo-libong mga nakikinig. Chos, tarot. So, anong message o wish mo sa mga II batches who came after you? Diba, dahil pare-pareho naman tayong mga alumni ng ating beloved alma mater, Imus Institute.
Okay, the only thing I can say is while there is this time for you to get together, do it as much as you can, you know, because time comes each one of us will go,
Mhm.
at least when we die, we will say, I enjoyed their company.
Mm. Okay, so mga kaibigan, on that note, we have to end this ambush interview with my beloved Sir Demet. Diyos ko, muntik na po ako maging best in algebra. But because
0.02?
this guy is the fairest, the most impartial teacher of them all, na hanggang ngayon, looking back, tinatanong ko na pag nasa tama ka, kung sino yung talagang winner, yun ang dapat i-declare na winner. Anyways, that is an altogether different story na i-detalye ko sa inyo sa susunod na episode ng Shumo Showbiz by Dr. Jones. So, happy holidays ulit sa inyong lahat. So, Sir Demet and I wish all of you a
Merry
most
Christmas
and
and a
Happy New Year.